Back to another video. Hey brothers and sisters, today we will see stupid drivers gets what they deserve. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
That's a very high curb. No, just stop. That was not good. Narrow road, what are you gonna do? This is where you need to use your brain. I'll have to go to the side a bit. Well, no, not to this side, not this much side. Not this much side! Bro, not this much side. But this one, you're gonna have to slow down a bit. Slow down a bit. Bloody, slow down a bit. Yes. Stay in this lane. Just follow the blue car. Ay. Mate, your reactions don't make it any better. Ay. Like, what's that gonna do? That ain't gonna help me flipping drive, is it? Ay. What the hell? Yeah, no, it's not funny. Your reactions, mate, I swear, make it worse. But you just don't react then. This is me. This is how I react. Stop. Yeah, and then go. Stop. Don't risk it like that. Damn it.
Watch as this Honda Civic attempts insurance fraud, but realizes they're on dash cam.
Oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Oh my god, babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident. Oh my god. Oh my god,
Where are
babe.
you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Here they start to notice they're on dash cam and messed up big time. What would you do in this situation?
This blue sedan suddenly slammed on the brakes, causing a red sedan to stop behind it. A Karen got out of the blue sedan and started yelling. She confronted the driver of the red sedan. A man got out of the red sedan and walked toward the Karen. She yelled at him as well.
Touch me, because my man's right fucking here. Come and put your fucking hands on me. I ain't driving crazy. Your bitch was on my goddamn ass.
When the man tried to back away, the Karen slapped him. The man then punched the Karen, lifted her, and slammed her to the ground. The man returned to his car and...
I have no clue.
Oh my god. Go. Ready?
Better person in here and to try to help you win football games.
All right, Sandy.
Bill Belichick.
Would have hit my car.
Alpha 7. What you doing, dude? I was on.
Calling emergency services.
Yeah, there she goes.
/MSNBC. Denver 911. Do you need police, fire, or medical?
Police immediately. I'm hoping not medical, but this lady's.
What's the address?
We're on 13 going southbound, and she is driving in the median, hitting all the snowbanks and everything.
Okay, all right. Where are you passing?
We are passing Dover Pools, headed southbound. I'm hoping she's pulling over right now. I'm gonna talk to her and try and get her to pull over.
Liverpool.
Researchers at Washington University in St. Louis found the experimental drug is effective for people in their 40s and 50s who are genetically prone to Alzheimer's. But the funding of the study is being threatened by government cutbacks.
That is CBS News correspondent.
They ran the red light.